Right now, on Amazon and beyond, there are 22 survival inventions so advanced they could literally save your life. Camper, prepper, overlander, it doesn't matter. This list has something for everyone. We're counting down from 22 to 1, and trust me, number 1 is something most people have never heard of. Let's get into it. Number 22. Outdoor Guardians, Motion Sensor. It's 2 a.m. Something is moving around your campsite. Animal? Person? You have no idea because you're asleep. That's the problem Outdoor Guardians solves. This portable motion sensor system uses 24G millimeter wave radar, not heat detection, so wind, leaves, and rain won't trigger false alarms all night long. Place sensors up to 100 meters out, choose from 3 sensitivity ranges, and get alerted instantly via sound and vibration. Sensors charge right inside the receiver hub. Clean, smart, and genuinely effective. For solo campers heading somewhere remote, this is non-negotiable peace of mind. Number 21. BVTAT-8 Multitool. If you could only grab one tool on your way out the door, make it this one. The BVTAT is an 8-in-1 multi-tool made 100% in America, from S7 tool steel, the same material used in industrial cutting equipment, heat-treated, Cerakote coated, and built to never quit. You get a hydrant wrench, spanner, hammer, axe blade, pry bar, 2 wrench sizes, and a gas shutoff. Add-on attachments include a shovel, pick, hoe, and breaching pick. As seen on Surviving Man Season 4, at 17 inches and 3 pounds, this isn't a gadget, it's a serious working tool. Number 20. Survive Zip Stitch Wound Closure. A bad cut miles from the nearest hospital is a genuine emergency. Regular bandages won't handle a deep laceration and you can't always stitch yourself up. So the Survive X Zip Stitch works like a tiny zipper for your skin. Place it, zip it closed, and it aligns wound edges in 3 dimensions. No needles, no pain, no stitches required. A tension release button lets you adjust pressure for comfort. Less scarring, lower infection risk, and simple enough for kids and the elderly to use. FSA and HSA eligible. If your first aid kit doesn't have this, fix that today. Number 19. Morakniv Ashwood Knife. Every serious outdoors person needs a reliable fixed blade, not a showpiece, a real working knife. The Morakniv Loke Black Blade delivers exactly that. The handle is crafted from FSC-certified bright European ashwood, warm in the hand and naturally grippy. The 3.2mm recycled Swedish stainless steel blade is coated matte black, creating a stunning contrast with the wood grain. Comes with a vegetable tanned leather sheath with a belt loop, compatible with the Morakniv dangler for lower carry positioning. Sharp, balanced, and beautiful. Mura has been making world-class working blades since 1891, and this one proves you don't need to overspend to carry something truly excellent. Number 18. Titan Paracord Bracelet. How many survival tools are you wearing right now? If the answer is 0, meet the Titan Survivor Cord Survival Bracelet. Inside the braid you get 4 functional elements: 550 Lober rated paracord, a 25 Lober braided fishing line, 110 Lober heat-resistant Kevlar thread, and wax jute tinder that catches a spark even in the rain. Unravel this in a survival situation and you've got materials to start a fire, set a snare, fish, and make emergency repairs. It's a survival kit on your wrist. Veteran-owned, lifetime warranty, and costs less than your morning coffee. Highest value per dollar item on this list. Number 17. Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set. Matches get wet, lighters run out of fuel. A quality ferro rod never fails. The Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set generates sparks at 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, consistently on the first strike. The ferrocerium rod has a large strike zone for maximum surface area, rated for an incredible 20,000 strikes. That's decades of reliable fire starting. The striker is made from premium knife steel, sharpenable, just like any quality blade. And the included 550 paracord handle has jute tinder woven right inside, so even the lanyard is a fire-starting tool. This is the benchmark for ferro rod fire starters, one of the best on the market. Number 16. Omni Blade Machete. Choosing the right blade for the wilderness is hard, because one tool rarely does it all. The Omni Blade by Terex changes that. This is a heavy-duty, large-scale 5-in-1 multi-tool machete, built for bushcrafters, survivalists, and serious outdoors people. Designed and manufactured in partnership with a US-based Edge tool company with decades of industry experience. The concept is brilliant. Stop carrying 5 tools when one smart blade handles everything. Less weight, less bulk, more capability. Terex launched this on Kickstarter and the outdoor community responded. It's still growing, but the thinking behind it is rock solid. Watch this one closely. Number 15. Leatherman Raptor Rescue Shears. Leatherman has been making legendary tools for 40 years. The Raptor Rescue might be their most critical one yet. Designed with direct input from trauma professionals, this 6-in-1 emergency shear includes heavy-duty cutting blades, a carbide glass breaker capable of shattering windshields, and a strap and ring cutter for rescue situations. It locks when holstered and can be worn upside down for instant access. Backed by a 25-year warranty and made in Portland, Oregon. Whether you're a first responder, overlander, or everyday driver, this tool could save a life in a car accident. Keep one in your vehicle. Which product is your favorite so far? Comment below right now. Number 14. Xeno Nest Air Tent. What if your tent was more like a convertible car than a camping shelter? That's exactly what Xeno Nest delivers. Featuring the world's first tension control frame and fully exposed air beams, every fabric panel zips on and off for easy cleaning, drying, and customization. Got soaked in the rain? Unzip, take panels home, air dry, done. The 18 centimeters thick air beams offer serious structural durability across all 4 seasons. 100% handmade, strictly limited to 50 units per campaign, and available across just 6 countries. It's a luxury camping experience unlike anything else on the market. For those who want the absolute best, Xeno Nest is it. Number 13. NexTool Credit Card Multitool. 20 tools, credit card size, fits in your wallet. The NexTool Credit Card Multitool packs folding needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a knife, flat and cross screwdrivers, a bottle opener, 6 hex spanners, a wire stripper, a ruler, a spoke wrench, and more, all into a 91-gram stainless steel card. The titanium-plated circuit board texture finish looks incredible, and it comes in a premium leather case that slots straight into your wallet without scratching anything. This is the ultimate everyday carry backup tool, the kind of thing you forget you have until you desperately need it. A genuinely brilliant piece of engineering. Number 12. Mission Darkness Odin Guard Faraday Backpack. Your devices are broadcasting your location, your data, and your identity 24 hours a day. The Mission Darkness Odin Guard shuts all of that down. This military-grade Faraday backpack completely blocks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, GPS, and RFID signals across all devices. 3 removable Valkyrie Faraday sleeves handle your phone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. It features military melee webbing for gear attachment, padded shoulder straps, a waistband, and a hidden rain cover. Fully functional tactical backpack, and a digital panic room in one. Used by law enforcement and military for forensic evidence collection. For preppers, privacy advocates, and anyone serious about digital security, this is essential. Number 11. Lifestraw Peak Solo Water Filter. Water is survival priority number 1. You can go weeks without food, but just days without clean water. The Lifestraw Peak Solo removes 99.99999% of bacteria, 99.99% of parasites, and 99.99% of microplastics. It weighs just 1.7 ounces, screws onto any standard 28mm bottle, and flows at 3 liters per minute. One filter lasts 2,000 liters. But here's what really sets Lifestraw apart. Every purchase provides a child in need with safe drinking water for a full year. If your kid only has room for one thing, make it a water filter. And this is the one to get. Number 10. 4 Patriots, Sun Kettle. You've got clean water, but what about hot water? No fire, no gas, no electricity, no problem. The 4 Patriots Sun Kettle uses focused solar energy to heat water up to 212 FF in around 45 minutes. It holds 16.9 ounces, enough for coffee, an MRE, or a hot meal, and weighs just 2.65 pounds. The inner tube is shatter-resistant tempered glass inside a durable ABS plastic frame. No smoke, no fuel, no consumables. Perfect for no-burn camping zones or serious off-grid emergency prep. Clean, quiet, self-sufficient energy from the sun. Simple concept, executed brilliantly. This one genuinely impresses me every time. Number 9. NestOut Lamp 1. Lantern. After dark, great lighting changes everything. and the Nest Out Lamp 1 does it better than almost anything in its class. This dimmable LED lantern uses a stepless adjustment dial, so you can dial in exactly the brightness you want, from a cozy 10 lumens all the way to a full 350. No harsh clicks between modes, just smooth, precise control. IP44 rated, comes with a mini tripod stand, and has a carabiner loop for hanging from tents, trees, or packs. Winner of the prestigious IF Design Gold Award. Beautiful, functional, and built to last. Designed exclusively for the Nest Out battery system. Plan accordingly. Number 8. Oukitel WP100 Titan Rugged Phone. Your standard phone dies in 6 hours and cracks if you breathe on it. The Oukitel WP100 Titan is built for a completely different world. A monstrous 33,000 mAh delivers up to 4,459 hours of standby, nearly 6 months. It's MEL LSTD 810H rated, IP68 and IP69K certified, with a 200 megapixel main camera, dedicated infrared night vision camera, and a built-in projector, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB storage, 5G capable. Gorilla Glass 5 display, 66 watts fast charging, Android 14. This is the ultimate survival smartphone built for people who genuinely depend on their device in the field. Nothing else competes. Number 7. CRKT Clever Girl Fixed Blade Knife. A reliable fixed blade is non-negotiable in any serious kit. The CRKT Clever Girl earns its spot without question. Powder-coated SK5 carbon steel delivers exceptional edge retention, strength, and corrosion resistance. The upswept blade geometry makes it a natural, efficient slicer across a wide range of camp tasks. The textured nylon handle gives a confident, secure grip in wet or cold conditions. Straightforward, honest, and hardworking, CRKT has been making reliable blades for decades, and the Clever Girl is one of their most versatile fixed blades at a very fair price. Number 6. Lifesystems Stormproof Matches. You've got a ferro rod, smart, but sometimes you just want to strike a match and be done with it. Lifesystems Stormproof matches are wind-resistant, water-resistant, and each one burns for a full 20 seconds, long enough to catch even damp tinder in brutal conditions. 25 matches per waterproof container, with 3 strike panels included. Recommended for the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, a program that puts young people through genuine wilderness challenges. That's a meaningful endorsement. Fire is non-negotiable in survival. These are cheap, reliable, and extremely packable. There is absolutely zero reason not to have them in your kit. Good optics can be the difference between spotting a threat or an opportunity and missing it completely. The Steiner BluHorizons are in a class of their own. Their exclusive auto-bright technology automatically adjusts lens brightness based on conditions. Blinding sun, reflective water, white snow, no squinting, no glare. Just a perfect sharp image every single time. 10 times magnification, 42mm objective lens, 100-meter wide field of view, and fast close focus for rapid subject acquisition. Waterproof housing functions from -20 to +70 degrees Celsius. Non-slip NBR rubber resists oil, acid, and weather. Built to perform where cheaper binoculars completely fail. These are a lifetime investment. Number 4. Sangean MMR-99 Emergency Radio. When the grid goes down and your phone has no signal, what's your plan? The Sangean MMR-99 is the emergency radio benchmark. AM, FM, all 7 NOAA weather channels with public alert, Bluetooth, and aux input. Powered by hand-crank solar or USB-C charging. Charges other devices via USB-A output. The LED flashlight has 8 modes including SOS and Morse code. There's a red night vision light and an automatic emergency light that activates during power outages. IP55 rated. Clock and alarm included. I cannot think of a single box this radio doesn't check. This is the backbone of any serious emergency kit. Non-negotiable. Subscribe right now. Our best survival videos drop every week. Number 3. NEBO Transcend 3K Headlamp. 3000 lumens. 223 meters of beam range. This isn't just a headlamp, it's a lighting system. The NEBO Transcend 3K detaches from its headband in seconds, converting instantly into a standalone work light with a magnetic base that sticks to any metal surface. 5 light modes from 50 lumens at 45 hours runtime to full turbo mode. USB-C rechargeable with a 4000 mAh built-in battery. IPX7 waterproof. Aircraft-grade anodized aluminum construction. Hard hat compatible with included clips. Whether you're navigating a trail at midnight or working under a vehicle hood, this is the last headlamp you'll ever need to buy. Number 2. GeGeDa 550 Paracord. Paracord in the top 2? Absolutely. Because the quality of your cord matters more than most people realize. GeGeDa 550 Paracord is military spec Type 3 with a 9-strand inner core, each strand made of 3 yarns for a total static strength of 550 pounds, 100 feet of it. Shelter building, bear hangs, gear repairs, snares, clotheslines, emergency tourniquets, lashing. The applications are genuinely endless, and this is a cord that won't snap when your life depends on it. Backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty, cheap, reliable, and endlessly versatile, 100 feet of quality 550 cord belongs in every single kit, period. Number 1. Nar Raid Kit V2. And if any product on this list could save your life, it's this one. The Nar Raid Kit V2 is a professional-grade individual first aid kit built around the leading causes of preventable death in tactical environments. Inside, a cat combat tourniquet, 2 rolls of NEBO gauze, a 4-inch trauma dressing, a hyphen-vent chest seal twin pack, nitrile gloves, and trauma shears. The Raid pouch design supports self-aid and buddy aid. Wear it, remove it instantly, or hand it off to whoever is treating you. Multiple configurations available. This is the same gear trusted by military and law enforcement. In a real emergency, this kit keeps you alive. 22 inventions, all genuinely insanely cool. Which one would you grab first? Comment below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. We drop survival gear content every week. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.